I'm Gautam Vishwanathan, co-founder and head of product at Workato. I'm really excited to introduce AI at work. Our vision from our founding days has been to democratize automation. Today, we take a giant leap forward with AI at work. With AI at work, we are bringing together integration, automation, and AI into a single platform, making it easier and faster to build automations at scale. First, let's talk about copilots. Workato Copilot is like a coworker who's a Workato expert and works with you to build recipes and connectors, all through natural language prompts. Workato Copilot has been trained on millions of data points from Workato's public recipe community. So it does know a thing or two about automation. For everyone else, for those of us who are not recipe builders, we're introducing WorkbotGPT. On Slack or Teams, you can instruct WorkbotGPT, again, in natural language, to do work for you. You can ask WorkbotGPT to fetch deals that are slipping and ask for a status update. WorkBot will then fetch these opportunities from your Salesforce and send an email to each of the AEs requesting them for an update. No recipes, no code, pure conversation. Join us to learn how AI, automation, and integration will change how we work.